how to power on or power off the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or the Galaxy Watch 7. Now on your watch face, you can press on both keys, press and hold on the power key and the side key. So press on both keys and this will bring up the power menu. Now the other option is to just simply press and hold on the power button. Now this still depends on your settings. So at the moment, my power button has been set to activate Bixby and other Samsung account settings. So you can configure this button to, instead of open up Bixby, it can open up the power menu. If not, you need to use both buttons. So here, if I press on both buttons, this will bring up the power menu and I can tap on the power button to switch it off. So that is how you can switch it off. To switch your watch back on, simply press and hold on the side button right here. Press and hold. And this will allow you to power on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or 7. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.